Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, everybody, we have 3 slices of bacon. We have a half a cup of cheese. These are Great Northern beans. And those are 3 pasture-raised eggs, beaten severely and letting them rest for 5 minutes. Greetings, Mike Foster here. That's how you make an omelet. That's how you do the eggs. You give them a good beating. You don't need a Cuisinart. You don't need anything. You just use your fork. You can use a whisk if you want. I mean, I don't care. And then you let them rest. And this is a protein bomb special. This omelet is going to give, I have it written down, 41 grams of protein to start your day. And it's important to get enough protein in your body every single day. You know, most people don't eat enough protein. Of course, you need fiber, you need vegetables. You want to cut down on the carbs, and you want to cut down on the fats, but the good fats, like I have here, eat your protein. Now I'm going to show you right here. So here's 3 slices of bacon is 8 grams of protein. 3 eggs, 18 grams of protein, 6 grams of protein per egg. A serving of Great Northern beans, 8 grams of protein. And a serving of cheese is about a half a cup, 7 grams of protein. Now, we know you all have your calculators out, and you know that it equals 41 grams. And it's fast, simple, and easy to make. That's the other great thing. It's a great way to start the day, and that's how I'm starting my day. So let's get this omelet going. Okay, we first started out by putting a little butter down. And I'm just going to give those beans just a little heat. So let's put some of those beans down. You can hear them sizzling. Remember, it's a protein bomb. All right. I got this on medium. So keep it on medium. And we're just going to mix these little babies up. I'm going to give them a little pepper. I'm not going to give them anything else. Do not need salt in this because you're going to get some sodium from the bacon and from the cheese and from the butter. All right. Do this for about 2 minutes and then we'll get the omelet going. This pan's still nice and hot, so we'll put the butter down, a little more butter. Slide it around. I also like to add just a little oil to encourage, to make it a nice smooth omelette though. You know what I meant. Here's those 3 eggs. Put those babies down. It's medium. All right, let's see how this thing's cooking fast. So I like to give it a little mix like that sometimes to make sure schmixy. Put that baby back down. And then just make sure that it's just cooking nice and, just like that. And of course, many of you are viewing this because you watched my perfect omelet video that has over 10.5 million views. You know, sometimes you cook omelets differently. Every chef is different, and I, by no means, am not a chef, I'll tell you that right now. I'm just a guy who loves eggs. Okay, a little pepper. That's a lot of pepper. All right, how are we doing? See, it's got a little goop. That goop will go away the more you cook it. People get concerned with the goop. I understand it. They're goopophobes. They have problems. Now we put this beautiful cheese. This is a cheddar. Oh, it's an Irish cheddar, you know. I gotta tell you. It's very tasty. So remember, it's a protein bomb. That cheddar right there is about 8 grams of protein. Put the beans down. Put them all on this one side. That's about another 8 grams of protein. You take this bacon, put these 3 babies down right here. I'm telling you, it's like another 8 grams of protein. Every time I turn around, it says 8 grams. Uh-oh, now it's only 7 grams, so I just took a bite. Alright, that's the baby. You see this? Goop's almost gone. Like I said, and then the eggs are 18 grams. And now you can do a flipperoo. Oh my gosh. I don't like to brag sometimes. But when you're good, you're good. That's a beauty. Look at that. That is a sweet little baby baboo. Let's serve this baby up. Okay, there's a close-up of the bacon, cheese, and bean omelet that is a protein bomb. Can't wait to try it. Here's that protein bomb. Great way to start the day. Healthy for you. But if it tastes like crap, then who cares how healthy it is or how much protein's in it? But I bet it doesn't taste bad. Let's try. Oh, this is one of the new big bites from Mike. Let's try it. Oh, I gotta tell you, those beans are so creamy. That bite was hot, by the way. I brought my mouth. The bacon is nice and crispy and savory. The cheese is creamy and nutty tasting. Very simply seasoned with just some pepper. It works. It's delicious, simple to make, and loaded with enough protein to get you going for a long time. Start the day with this, work out, have energy, eat light for dinner. Get your veggies then, get your bacon now. So check out Live Life 365 on YouTube if you want more recipes like this, and keep living life 365 the next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
All right, let's get that centered. Bye-bye. This will all be cut out because no one wants to hear that. Oh, now that's good. Maybe it's the bacon. That's crazy. Who would think beans would work so well? Well, I would think it Mike Foster, because I do all the thinking. You guys just watch the video. Thumb it up, tell people about it. Stay safe. Wear a mask. And don't do anything crazy. Bye-bye.